business is a cruel and shallow money trench. A long plastic hallway where thieves and pimps run free and good men die like dogs. These cynical words from Hunter S. Thompson do ring true of the old music business, where many good artists' careers have died. Things have improved a bit, but many artists are still exploited, middleman, or overwhelmed with options. Rather than exploitation, Eye in the Sky purveys a model of cooperation. The new music industry is made of artist-driven labels, agents, and companies that now hold 32.6% of the market share. Eye in the Sky is the gel of this infrastructure. We provide a digital tool set and web platform for artists to sell their music and merch, but unlike our competitors, artists keep 100% of their profits. They maintain an Eye in the Sky account to utilize our services and purchase through our affiliate network of vendors. All of the services they need to operate their band business and continue the cycle. The music industry is ever changing.